This video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the fake alerts and misleading pop-ups that are coming from the site yourcommonblog.com. Yourcommonblog.com is a malicious site that tries to trick its visitors into clicking on a special allow button. To click on allow is extremely dangerous, and if you do that, your browser will be hijacked and redirected to some junk pages in the internet. So if the allow button was mistakenly clicked, make sure you fix your browser by accessing the menu, settings, then you need to choose privacy and security, site settings, and in permissions choose notifications. Pay attention to the websites allowed to display notifications. If you find any malicious sites here on the list, make sure you get rid of them completely. I also recommend that you research the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and start researching your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.